from Bluehub, and I'm here to give you 5 quick tips that will help you in Cin7 Core. So the first quick tip is going to be your navigation style. On the left hand side here we have our navigation bar. In the bottom left we have this little arrow where we can expand this out and show the words for this as well. Now what we can do is we can come up to this little paint palette up the top right hand corner here, and we can set this to horizontal. This will line our navigation bar horizontally across the top. Now the next few in here are going to be on any list within the system. What we can do is we can, at the moment I have my list going from left to right for the entire screen, so full screen width. But what we can do is we can hit this fixed width and it will condense everything down, make it into a compact version that is fixed in the middle of the screen. The next sort of tip here is going to be the grid view mode. So at the moment I have it on compact mode, which makes the line items or the lines very nice and thin. What we can do though is we can hit this default mode and it will expand everything out, give everything a little bit more space, make it feel a little less cluttered. The next quick tip, so quick tip number 2 is going to be on the dashboard, how to customize our dashboard. So we have this manage dashboard button in the top right hand corner here. If we open this up, we get a bunch of tick boxes where we can untick and tick certain panels that we want to be shown, or maybe we don't want to be shown. And what we can do is we can go ahead and customize this how we want. So let's say we didn't want our quick links at the top, we wanted them down a little bit. We can drag these down and pop this below. So we're able to move everything around. It's nice and easy. If we didn't want anything on here, so if we didn't want this big purchases bar, we can just X this off and that will get rid of it. Or we can minimize stuff and have stuff still there, but just in a compact form that we can expand or close down. The next quick tip, so quick tip number 3 is this little chat bubble up the top right hand corner here. So if we wanted to quickly chat with any of our colleagues that are on the system, we are able to open a chat group here and we can say stuff like hey, or we can send any important information through here as well through the internal chat service. Quick tip number 4 is this update light bulb here. This update light bulb will tell you what is new within the system. So we can come into here and we can see that on the 25th of February they updated the B2B portal, they updated the RMA, the MRP, WMS, all of that good stuff. Quick tip number 5 is going to be around stock visibility. So what we can do is we can go to our inventory, go to our availability. This will give us a nice big list of all of our products with all of our locations and the stock that is currently on hand, available, on order or allocated. So as we can see here, we've got a bunch of our different locations and we can see all of the stock levels for those locations. Now another really good way to view all of this is if we go into our reports, we go into inventory report, and then we have our product stock level here. This report is pretty much the same as the availability report, but with a lot more flexibility. So what we can see here is at the moment it's all condensed down into one line item. So we don't have all of our locations in. For this one product, this is what our quantity on hand is across all locations. Now that what we can do is we can enter in our location, and this will then split all of that out, just like the availability report, by location. But this report gives you that flexibility to make those decisions how you want. So here we can see we have our one product, but all of our locations with all of our quantity on hand allocated on order and available. So this can be a nice, quick, easy way to see what stock you have on hand, and you're able to export it to a PDF, to an Excel, all of that good stuff. I hope this has helped. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Cheers.